Hi, thank you for visiting Guarantee's website. Today I'm going to talk with you about our Coachmen Apex Ultra Lite 245 Bunkhouse, stock number T040992. So that's stock number 40992. And this is a lovely trailer. It's easily towed by a half-ton truck, or anything bigger than that would be fine too. So when you enter the unit, you're going to see that there's a beautiful queen bed off to your right with wardrobe closets on each side. It has a U-shaped dinette that's a 40 by 88, and that can make down into a lovely bed for someone, but it certainly makes a nice table for a group of people to sit down and have a meal. And then we've got double bunk beds. They will hold up to 300 pounds of capacity. I love it because this little trailer has a large refrigerator, it has an oven, it has a microwave, it has lots of counter space, a double sink, and a really nice bathroom as well. It's really well fitted. You've got a big bathroom in here with a tub shower enclosure, of course your commode, a medicine cabinet, and a sink in there. So everything can be taken care of with lots of elbow room. The unit is about 27 feet long. It's really well fitted, and on the outside of it, what you find is an outside kitchen, which is really handy. When you have an outside kitchen, you can cook a meal out there and do some entertaining. Just roll that awning out that has LED lighting underneath it, and you've got another place to enjoy the outdoors. Please give me a call. I'd like to answer any questions that you have. My name is Barbara Balcom. I'm with Guarantee RV, and my number is 541-521-4232. Come on in and take a look at this thing. You'll fall in love with it. Thank you.